Hey guys, welcome back to Christin's kitchen. Well, no kitchen. Today was my birthday. Just now the party was over. Everyone gave the gifts and went home. So today I'm going to unbox all my birthday gifts. So this is our first gift. So this gift is from my parents, special gift for me. So we are going to unbox it. Now let's unbox our first gift. Can you stop? Now let's unbox our first gift. Oh, nice. Oh, okay. It's one of my old birthday pictures and even other pictures also. Like when I was small. Oh, okay. Thank you so much, Mom and Dad. Now we unboxed the first gift. Now let's go to the second gift. So which one will you take? Maybe I'll take this one. Looks good actually. Okay. Now just take it. Oh, it's a Bluetooth speaker. Okay. EQ. Okay. Nice. Thank you so much, Vijayendra. He's my cameraman here now. So let's unbox it. Now let's unbox our second gift. Alright. Okay, the manual about the Bluetooth speaker. Okay. Wow, this looks so cool, especially the color. Okay. Okay. Wow. Come on. Yeah.
Nice.
Wow.
Cool, dude.
Yeah. Thanks, man. Whoa, I like this color. So good. Thank you so much, Vijayendra. Thank you. Now let's take our third gift. Okay, I'll take this one. Okay. Oh, I can see two gifts. Okay, this first one. It's an wireless headphones. And this is the... Oh, it's a perfume. Okay. So I think this gift is from my friend Disha. So let's unbox it. Now let's open the gifts. So first we'll open this one. Right. Oh, nice. Black and red headphones. Nice. It's like a Christin's edition, Christin's kitchen edition, like red and black. It's one of my favorite colors. Nice. Thank you so much. Now let's unbox the second gift. So it's a perfume. Wow. Rose Paris. Okay, now let me check the smell of it. It should be good. Good. Nice. Okay. Thank you so much, Disha. Now let's open the fourth gift. Let's see what's inside. Alright. I guess it should be, it's a remote control car. So let's see. We'll just open it quick, fast. I opened the wrap. Now I'm going to just reveal it to you. So it's a remote control car. It's an off-roader. So it should be. Come on. Wow. Okay. Ooh, okay. Oh, I can. Yeah. Oh, they gave 2 free batteries. I think it's for the remote. I think so. Just keep it here. So I just not going to open it fully. So I just want to just show you. So thank you so much, Nandita. Now you're gonna open the last gift. Okay, it's a bag. Okay. American Tourist. Nice. It's one of my favorite brands of bags. Wow, okay. It's good. I like the color. Okay. This is okay, just a cover for it. Okay. Oh, there's more storage for it, huh? You can keep more things in this. Okay, I think this gift is from Anamika. So, thank you so much. Thank you so much who those gave me this presents. I really liked it, and I really enjoyed the party also. So thanks once again. Thanks for watching, and I hope you really enjoyed the unboxing video. Like, share, subscribe, and see you in the next video.